Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to enable security notifications on WhatsApp for your PC. This feature is essential for keeping your account secure and staying informed about any potential security-related activities. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure it's installed and up to date to ensure you have access to the latest features. Next, locate the Settings option. You'll find it in the left side menu, typically represented by a gear icon. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Once inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Account section. This is where you can manage various preferences related to your WhatsApp account. In the Account section, look for an option labeled Show Security Notifications on this computer. By default, this feature might be turned off. To enable it, simply toggle the switch or check the box next to this option. And that's it. You've successfully enabled security notifications on WhatsApp for your PC. With this feature activated, you'll receive alerts whenever there are changes or activities related to your account security. By following these steps, you're taking an important step toward enhancing the safety of your WhatsApp experience on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from enabling security notifications as well. Thank you for tuning in.